सर, ये बहुत अच्छा संकेत है इस देश के लिए कि सभी देश की जनता का और जनता के माध्यम से माननीय सदस्यों की आकांक्षा जगने लगी है कि मेरे यहाँ भी एयरपोर्ट बन जाएगा। ये अच्छे संकेत है देश के लिए।
सर, very much, sir. And like I've just mentioned, the infrastructure around airports has increased so much in the last 10 years. A huge push has been given for Civil Aviation Ministry. And right now, the way members are raising up their demands and asking for new airports or connectivity, it was almost, if you go back 10 years or 20 years back, it used to be the demand with railways. Sir, तब railways से पूछते थे कि train चाहिए या फिर stop चाहिए. अब वो हालत airways में आ गया सर. तो airways is the new railways of the country, and I'm very proud about it. And especially regarding the connectivity, नहीं उसी के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ.
आप उनका जवाब मत दो.
दादा उसी के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. Sir, but the honorable member has mentioned about the connectivity, but let me make it clear from the ministry, sir, we don't have any direct jurisdiction which where we interfere with the connectivity of the airlines. It is entirely a demand-driven process, market-driven process, and the airlines decide which connectivity. We offer the infrastructure. अगर airlines बोलता है कि यहाँ से ये मैं वहाँ तक चलाना चाहता हूँ, तो we ensure that there is airport connectivity on both the places. But what we do, sir, because there has been a big demand from all the members कि हमें यहाँ से ये connectivity चाहिए, we are just forwarding the request to the airlines and asking them to favorably consider according to the demand of that airport, sir.
कल्याण बनर्जी जी, सुदीप बंदोपाध्याय जी. कल्याण जी, आपका सुदीप दादा ने छीन लिया.
नहीं, सुदीप दादा, he is my leader. He is my leader. Of course, he is my leader. His preference is past. He is my leader.
I am happy to see this young minister, whose father was one of my best friends in 12th.
माननीय मंत्री जी सक्रिय हैं बहुत ज़्यादा.
His father, Yarana Naidu, was my very dear friend. Balu was there. That was long regime back, 12th and 13th Lok Sabha. He knows it well. So my question is, Calcutta is always, or Bengal is always neglected from all corners. Why second international airport in Calcutta is not taking shape? Proposal has been taken up. Monetary allotment has been done. Space has been proposed by the state government. But why not government is initiating the proposal? One reply is being given by the government that the distance of the second airport from Calcutta has some long distance. But if the government agrees, if the people of Bengal agree, if land is available, why not this second airport international is being initiated immediately, which is the